everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's our topic is class 8, chapter number 14, factorization. Okay, so first we will see what is the factors. Before going to start this chapter, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit all the bell icon so that you will get the new updates about my video. So let's start. Okay, suppose I have to find out the factors of the 14. Okay, so factors of 14 is first 1 is the factor of 14 because 1 जो होता है वो सबकी टेबल्स में आता है. सेकेंड इज 14 द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ये दो तो आपके फैक्टर्स जो रहेंगे वो सारे नंबर्स के लिए रहेंगे. पहला तो 1 एंड दूसरा जो नंबर इटसेल्फ है. सेकेंड, अब आपको क्या चेक करना है? 14 मीन्स 14 किस किस की टेबल्स में आता है. तो लेट्स सी 14 comes in 2's table, right? Then I will write it 2 into 7, that means 14, and any other table we have. Okay, so what the factors of 14 now? 1, 2, 7 and 14. So these are the factors of the 14. Suppose I have to find out the factor of the 36. Okay, so 1 and the number itself 36. Now I have to check in which table 36 will become. Okay, so 2 into 18, right? Because 2 into 18 is 36. Now 3 into 12 because 12 3s are 36 and 9 4s are 36. Okay, so now the factor of 36 are 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 12, one more, 6 6 are 36. So 6, I wrote all numbers, we will check it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then 9, then 6, then 4, then 12 and then 18 and the last 36. Okay, so factor of 36 is, factor of 36 are 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 12, 6, 18 and 36. Means in which table 36 comes, that are called the factors of this number. Similarly, 14 factors are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay, so these are the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers which are started from the 1. So we check the factorization of the natural numbers. Now we will see the factorization, means factors of the algebraic expression. Suppose I wrote it 3xy. Okay, so what are the factor of 3xy? 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So that are the factors of the 3xy. Factors of 4x x plus 2. Okay, now you able to see here is no any plus and minus sign. So means it is a multiplication sign. Before the bracket no any sign means it is a multiplication sign. So I have to find out the factor of 4x in bracket x plus 2. So what are the factors of 4x is 4 comma x comma x plus 2. This whole x plus 2 is one factor. Okay, don't be confused in this ki x is the different factors and 2 is the different factors. No, x plus 2 whole is called a factor. So for finding out the factorization, we have different methods. So first method is common factor. Suppose I have to find out the factorization of 6xy plus 10x. So how we will solve this? So first 6xy. Okay, so now in which table 6 comes? 2 into 3 into x into y, right? And for the 10x how I can write it? 2 into 5 into x. Now check which terms are common here. See, 2 is here, 2 is here, right? X is here, x is here. So can I write it instead of 6xy plus tan x? Here I will solve it. Okay. 6xy plus tan x. Okay. So what are the common terms? 2 and x are common. Okay. What is left inside? 2 3 the 6, 3y plus 2 5 the 10 because x is common. So 2x, 3y plus 5. So our factors is 2x, 3y plus 5. That is our answer for 6xy plus 10x. This is called the common factors method. Okay. One more time I will repeat this. Suppose I have to find out the factorization of 6xy plus 10x. Okay. So first we will check in which table 6 will come. 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. X is here, y is here. Okay. Similarly, I have to find out the 10x. 2 into 5, that is 10 into x. Okay. I wrote the questions again. 6xy plus 10x. Okay. Now, what is common here? 2 is common here and x is common here. So, I wrote it 2x, which is common term. Now, 2 into 3 give you 6. X is already come outside. Now, what is left? Y is left inside. Okay. Now, 2 into 5 will give you 10. X already come outside. So, 3y plus 5. Okay. So, our factors are 2x, 3y plus 5, which is called the common factor method. Now, we will see the next factorization method.
So now our second method is regrouping term. Suppose I have to find out the s square plus xy plus 8s plus 8y by using the regrouping term. Regrouping term means you have to make the groups of the terms. So in this check, s square and xy is one group, 8s plus 8y is the another group. So first make the group of s square plus xy. So I wrote it as a square plus xy, which is my one group, and second group is 8x plus 8y. Okay, now check what is common between s square plus xy. So see, x is common here, which comes outside. What is left? One x is left inside and y is left because x is already come outside. Now from the second group, which will be common, 8 is common, write it outside. What is left? 8 already comes outside, to x plus, because 8 already comes outside, so what is left? Y. Okay. So our one factor is x plus 8 and another factor is x plus y. How we will assure that our answer is correct or not? So see, x plus y is common. So means we did it in the correct form. So this is our answer. So our third method of finding out the factorization is using the identities. These identities you already learned in the chapter of square and square root. If you not watch my video, I will provide the link in the description section. So a plus b the whole square identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we have a minus b the whole square identity, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Only difference is there. In a plus b whole square is plus sign and downside we have the minus sign. Okay. So suppose I have to find out the factorization of a square plus 8a plus 16 by using the identities. So here I am using a plus b the whole square identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this question, my a square is a square only and b square is 16. So 16 is the square of 4. So 4 square is 16. Now I have to write it 8a in the form of 2ab. Now you can check what is a. A is a only, and what is b here? B is 4. So can I write it? 2AB is 2 into 4 into A. Right? Now our identity A plus B the whole square. So now you can see A is A only in this question. Right? And B is 4. So can I write it? A plus 4 the whole square. Because A is A and B is 4. So A plus 4 the whole square is A plus 4 and A plus 4. Now our next method is middle term splitting method, which is a very common method and the important method which comes which is the important method. And suppose I have to find out the p square plus 6p plus 8 by using the middle term splitting method. In this you have to split the 6p. Whenever you will split the middle term, you have to check when you add or subtract, so you will get 6, and when you multiply it, so you will get the 8. So 2 into 4, which will give you 8, and when I am adding it, 2 plus 4, which give me 6, right? So I split the middle term. Whenever you will split the middle term, so when you add or subtract to get the middle term, and when you multiply it, so you will get the last term. So I wrote it p square plus 2p plus 4p plus 8. Okay, middle term is split here in the form of 2p plus 4p. Now you can make the group because common term is p here. So what is left inside? P plus 2, and check in the second group. Second group is 4p plus 8. So take the common 4. What is left inside? P plus 2, right? So now check p plus 2. P plus 2 is common here. So means you did the in the correct formation. So now our one factor is p plus 4 and our other factor is p plus 2. So this is called the middle term splitting method. Okay, one more time we will see. P square plus 6p plus 8. In this method you have to split the middle term in the form when you add or subtract, so you will get the middle term, and when you multiply it, so you will get the last term. So 2 into 4, which give me 8, and when I add it, 2 plus 4 give me the 6. So I wrote it p square. I split the middle term 2p plus 4p plus 8. I took the common p and inside will become p plus 2. From the second group I took the common term 4 and inside is left p plus 2. Okay, p plus 2 is same, so means I did in the correct formation. So our one factor is p plus 4 and our other factor is p plus 2. I hope this part is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. I will help you there. So these are the introduction video. When we are solving the question, we will more understand by doing the calculation part. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. The next topic we will see in the another class. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask in the comment section, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. Thank you. We will see in the next class.